PlayStation to integrate Discord chat for gamers. The electronic giant Sony is going to integrate one of the most popular online chat platforms, Discord, in its PlayStation consoles by 2022. Sony now holds a minority stake in Discord as it took part in a $100 million funding round and is set to offer this popular chat application to its PlayStation users. Want to know everything about this story? Well, keep watching this video to find out. Welcome to Tech Insight, where we help you understand the world of technology. Let's get straight into our video to find out more. Available on both PCs and smartphones, Discord is a popular app used by almost 140 million gamers every month. This partnership between Sony and Discord will bring more interaction among gamers using different devices. Closer together. Discord and Sony are observed to be working closely as the statements issued by the officials suggested. The president and chief executive of Sony, Jim Ryan, stated in a blog post, "We're constantly looking for new ways to enable players around the world to connect with one another, form new friendships and communities, and share fun experiences and lasting memories." He went on to say that, "Our goal is to bring the Discord and PlayStation experiences closer together on console and mobile starting early next year, allowing friends, groups, and communities to hang out, have fun, and communicate more easily while playing games together." Gaming rivals. The partnership was announced just 2 weeks after Discord rejected an offer worth $12 billion, or £8.7 billion, by Microsoft to acquire the company. Later, it turns out that Discord and Sony have partnered together. It is said that the offer was rejected by Discord as it looks forward to an IPO in near future. Sony's $100 million investment is included in the Discord funding round and is sure to help them gain a greater degree of legitimacy on Wall Street. A mobile gaming expert, Matthew Gribben, said Microsoft, Sony's only real rival in the console space, has potentially massively dropped the ball by letting Discord get away and now be tightly integrated into the PlayStation ecosystem. The partnership demonstrates a significant acknowledgement by Sony of the value that the gamer and game streaming community have. The latest Sony PlayStation console was launched in November 2020, and it has been sold out every time Sony released some in the market. But it is in strong competition against its rivals, including the latest console released by Microsoft called Xbox Series X, which is almost as equally in high demand as Sony's latest PlayStation. Another popular console in the space, and an indirect competitor, is the Nintendo Switch, which has sold almost 80 million units since it came out in 2017. Sony is sure to gain some market share in this deal with Discord. But what exactly is Discord? Keep watching the video to find out. What is Discord? Discord was launched in 2015 as a free-to-use service and provides its users with features like text messages, audio, and video calls. It is particularly popular amongst gamers and popular games like Fortnite, Among Us, and Minecraft, with dedicated servers with millions of daily active users. Xbox One, Xbox Series S, and Xbox Series X already have the Discord app available. Smartphone and PC users can also download this free-to-use app. At the University of Central Lancashire, Sam Connolly stated, "Adding the PS5 to the list of supported platforms is a crucial step forwards as it provides a common medium for communication, one of the primary issues faced by cross-platform multiplayer. Going forward, we could see fewer issues between friends not being able to play with one another due to owning different consoles." Crossplay. The partnership between Discord and Sony is a sign of the company supporting the same games being played on different devices such as console or computer. Louise Shorthouse, senior games analyst at Ampere Analysis, said, "Overall, this will improve the user experience for players. The partnership will boost Sony's reputation among social gamers, where it has traditionally lagged behind due to its unwillingness to allow cross-platform play. Multiplayer and social gaming is an ever-expanding segment that's not going away anytime soon," he added. As previously suggested by Sony on multiple occasions, Sony first opposed the concept of cross-play. Cross-play on Epic's Fortnite was initially blocked by the company as well. However, it was allowed eventually. Gio Corsi, Sony's senior director of developer relations at the time, wrote, "Cross-platform play is not a slam dunk, no matter the size of the title." He also added, "As you know, many companies are exploring this idea, and not a single one can explain how cross-console play improves the PlayStation business." Do you think crossplay will improve Sony's market share amongst the gaming enthusiasts? Or will this deal between Sony and Discord prove to be fruitful for both companies? Let us know in the comments down below. That's it from us. Thank you for watching our video till the end. See you next time.